Are you looking for educational and engaging workshop for your students? Check out Bruyères Academy's virtual workshops. Our workshops are constructed with a variety of tools that require the students to interact, which ensure optimal virtual connection. Rich French vocabulary is introduced and reinforced throughout the 2-hour program to create a true French classroom.
Students from core French to extended French to full French immersion are all welcome in our workshops. We have age-specific workshops ranging from grade 1 to grade 12. We cover more than 10 topics ranging from learning about animals, music, leadership, and much more.
These workshops are developed with the guidance of Madame Bellemare, who is our Director of Curriculum with more than 15 years of experience in the education field. She holds a Master in Curriculum Studies and Teacher Development, and we are very lucky that she shared her wealth of knowledge with second language learning with our experienced team who built an engaging and educational curriculum. She has ensured that our workshops are relevant and directly connected to the grade curriculum.
Our workshops are directly linked to the Ministry of Education curriculum and allow students to consolidate their French language skills outside of the classroom. It is a wonderful way for students to learn new vocabulary based on the chosen theme. Our workshop packages include a follow-up action plan for teachers to reinforce the concept and vocabulary learned during the workshop.
Our 2-hour workshop sessions are taught by instructors who are fully trained and selected for their experience with children, their mastery of the French language, and ability to engage with children virtually. We have been privileged to be welcomed into the classroom of hundreds of schools to share our passion for French. Whether the classrooms are in person or virtual, our instructors will join virtually and ensure full engagement with one of our many themed workshops, whether you are teaching a core French, extended French, French immersion, or full French program. Bring high-quality, impactful programming to your French classroom this year. See you then.